Hi, my name is Jama Jurabaev. I work as a concept artist in the film industry, and most recent movies I've worked on are Ready Player One, Jurassic World, Star Wars, and obviously I've worked on many others previously. This is definitely not a tool learning masterclass. It's more about my workflow, the reasons behind everything I do, which I think is more important because regardless of tools, you can apply these principles in your workflow and become more time efficient and basically become better at what you do. I'm aiming to do a couple of really nice looking photorealistic stylized cinematic frames for you, and as I do those I will be explaining and giving you the reasons why I make specific choices in terms of tools and approaches.